Welcome to my Right Vibe Yoga channel. My name is Julia and I'm certified yoga teacher based in Italy. If you would like to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram or TikTok or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Today we are going to dedicate a bit of time to get rid of negative emotions through the yoga poses. So when you're ready, grab your mat and let's begin. We will start in the cat pose. This is a short video just to give you, this a few minutes before bedtime. So we are going into the cat pose. And here we are starting with the circular movements of our hips. We are going to the left, down, to the right, up. Left, down, to the right, up. Start to rotate them. You can point your feet if this is more comfortable. So the knees have to be hips width apart. Ensure that you are comfortable, that you are stable. And after a few rotations, we are adding also the chest into the movement. When chest goes down, we inhale. When goes up, exhale. A few more circular movements, and then we are adding our shoulders into the movement. Yes, I know now it looks very strange, but it's all okay. Do what you can. It doesn't need to look beautiful, it needs to feel good. Good. Now we stop in the center and we are going to do the circular rotation with our hips to the opposite side. So first we go to the right, down to the left, to the top, and then continue doing this beautiful circle. Draw this circle with your hips. Let's do it for a few more times. Take this confidence with your hips, especially when the guys are doing this movement. Maybe it doesn't feel natural. However, it is useful also for you, believe me. Okay, let's add also the chest into the movement. Inhale down with the chest, exhale up. 2 more times, and then we are adding also the shoulders. This beautiful stretch and movement helps to revive and give that energy to your spine, to all your body. It's awakening your nervous system. And it also cuddles it a bit, like soothing it. Okay, good. Now we stop in the center, point our feet, and nicely, slowly raising our hips to the top in order to appear into the downward facing dog. You can walk on spot or stay here statically as you prefer. Remember that you can flex your knees, do what it feels right for you. So depends on your level. Today you choose the variation. You have to stay comfortable. You shouldn't feel too much tension. The yoga is not about feeling too much tensions. It's getting rid of them. Okay, step by step, of course. Okay, guys and girls, we are going into the torsion. Bring your left hand a little bit closer to you, and then with the right hand grab the left ankle. When you exhale, look to the top. You can grab also the calf, like where you arrive. Don't touch the knee, otherwise it will not be stable anymore. However, do what you can. Inhale, come back into the center, and then exhale. Let's do the same rotation to the right. So we are going to stay here in the torsion. Beautiful twist. Stay as long as you can. We will remain here for 3 breaths. And then come back into the downward facing dog. 1 deep breath here. And then we are going to bring the right leg to the top if you have space, and then the right foot in the hands. here we are going to work on our hips in a very interesting way. So follow me. It's not extremely easy to explain and follow. However, after you will watch this video for several times, you will understand the movement and you will love it. So the first, we are going to rotate our left foot down and we are going to sit, like rotate our left knee to the top, outstretch the left arm down and to sit in this position. So we are not touching with the hips the floor. And then we are returning back. We put the left hand at the support and then continue rotating the left foot. We are lowering the left hip and bringing the right arm parallel to the left leg. Good. Let's redo. Rotate the left foot. Open up. You can also lift your arm, but I don't know if it's discomfortable for you. Change. Left hand is resting on the mat. The right one will stretch. Let's do once again. You can feel some cracks in your knees, in your lower spine. Two more for this leg. But it's a beautiful to the hips, like you're really working your hips mobility, on the flexibility. Okay, once more to the side and come back to this low lunge. We are coming back and exhaling into the downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg to the top and the left foot between the hands. We are starting to rotate the right foot and sitting down to the left. Remember that from one side you will be less flexible than from another one, so it's fine if on this side you are not that flexible. And go to the right, rotate yourself to the left, go lower with your hips. Inhale and exhale, go down. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale when you go down. Inhale when you change the arms, opening, and then exhale. Go down with the right hip once again. Yeah, that will become your favorite exercise. Just do it slowly, nicely, with control and love to yourself. We are rotating a lot of joints, so remember that you have to do it slowly, nicely, feel your body, never exaggerate. The hands are resting on the mat. Exhale into the downward facing dog. Now we are lifting the right leg to the top and bringing the right foot between the hands. Lower the left knee, unite Anjali Mudra, and then we are going to arch our back into the Crescent Moon. Here we remain for 3 deep breaths. Go lower with your hips. Nice. One more deep breath. Good. And now we are going to put our hands down. Flex the left knee and grab the left knee first with the right hand. Then we are going to find the stability, the balance, and then detach the left hand and remain here. And this wonderful quadricep stretch, we are working on our balance. Remember that the elbows are looking to the sky. If this is too hard, you all the time can come back with one hand on the mat. Open the chest, nice, slowly and nicely release the left leg. Put the hands down and let's exchange the legs. Inhale and exhale into the downward facing dog. Bring the left leg to the top and then the left foot between the hands. Lower the right knee, connect your palms. Inhale into the Crescent Moon. The beautiful stretches before going to sleep, because you unlock all your body, all your spine, your hips. You let go of all negative emotions. The hands are on the mat. We are going to detach the right foot, and with the left hand we are grabbing the right foot, and with then we find the stability in our body and mind, and then uniting the hands on the right foot. Stable here, breathe in and breathe out, elbows up, open the shoulders, trust your body, trust your balance, breathe. Feel this nice tension relief in your right quadricep. Nice. Hands on the mat, slowly, nicely put your foot on your mat. I know some of you like to just drop it. Don't. Do it with love and care for yourself. So now we pressing into the downward facing dog. Last downward facing dog, which we are going to do is a beautiful intention, and we are going to do it in the pigeon pose. So I'm going to show it to you from the left side. So we are bringing the left foot and putting it on above the right knee, the above, so we don't touch the knee, go higher, and opening your ankle, opening your left hip, and bringing the knee to the left as possible. Don't press on the right knee, so find this space on your quadricep. Good. Exhale, release. Do the same for the right foot. You can help yourself with the hand if it's needed. Again, rotate the right ankle, rotate the hip, open the knee. Remain here, press with the hands. It's very beautiful. Find this balance and strength in your mind and feel this nice relief in the lumbar spine. Nice. Release the leg. Let's go on our knees. Sit on our glutes. Do beautiful stretch. So when you are ready, we are sitting on our glutes, outstretching the left leg, bringing the right one, the right foot to the left side of the left thigh. You can remain here and go into the torsion, that's fine. Or also flex the left knee with a left heel going outside, placed outside of the right glute. Good. Inhale, arms to the top, and exhalation. We are going to the right and twisting our body to the right. The left hand is facing the top. The right one is played behind. Look behind and relax. 3 breaths here. Let go of the tension in your hips. It is beautiful, calming pose for all your nervous system. It's really one of my favorite to let go. It's also kind of easy to do once you practice yoga enough. So I rarely do it. I do it very often with my students because it really helps to get rid of stress, emotions, like you're just feeling that calmness, coolness in your brain. So we are going to hang our hands behind the back if you can. Bind yourself. Stay here, 3 breaths. If you cannot, remain in the previous pose or just try with your right hand touch the left hip. That's fine. Everything is fine. We are progressing slowly. For that we love yoga, that it permits us to follow our timing, our own journey. We are not competing with anybody. You shouldn't be as great as your yoga teacher, especially when you are in the beginning. Then, of course, you can become even better. But remember that you are where you have to be. And that is the purpose. Okay, slowly, nicely, when inhale, come back with your torso to the center. We're going to outstretch both legs. And now the left foot goes outside of the right thigh, and the right heel goes outside of the left glute. Easy. Inhale, arms to the top, outstretch the spine, and then go into this nice rotation. Now I also can look at you and you can look at me. Remain here, look behind. Remember that your chin is parallel to the shoulder and both shoulders supposed to be in line and parallel to the mat. Ideally, open this chest, breathe. Good. If you can bind your arms behind, so you see how my right hand is going under the knee from the top, and look behind, breathe. This is a beautiful pose to squeeze out all the blood from your internal organs. It is like beautiful for that. That's why when we come back with our chest forward, we have to inhale and permit to new blood with oxygen and nutrition return to the organs. That's very beautiful about torsions. Every time you do torsion, remember that you're squeezing something inside you, your vessels, and therefore you have to give it a time to come back to normality. So all the movements of twists and torsions should be gentle and nice. Inhale slowly, return to the center, outstretch both legs. Inhale, and we are going to sit into the child pose and make 5 deep breaths. Point your forehead, put it against the mat, relax your arms. You can outstretch your arms forward and drop the elbows or bring the arms parallel to your body, to your legs, and just let go of any tension. Breathe deeply, nicely. If you can count your inhalation, so inhalation should be 5 times, exhalation 5 times. Breathing in equal time helps to relax your mind, make it focus on your breathing. 2 more breaths here. Listen to your body. And when you're ready, slowly, nicely, with help of your hands, raise your head at last. You can remain here in the rock pose with eyes closed to not have this dizzy head if you suffer it. And we finished with our practice. It was a big pleasure for me to guide you today. I hope you subscribe to my channel and we see each other soon. Have a beautiful evening. Namaste.